Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Ovary. The size of the ovary is 5 into 3 into 3 centimeters. Location. Ovary is located in the lateral pelvic wall, mainly in the ovarian fossa of Waldeyer. During the intrauterine life, ovary is present near T10 segments from where it descends into the pelvis with the help of gubernaculum. During the descent, gubernaculum is divided into two segments by the uterus, namely the round ligament and the ovarian ligament. Ovarian ligament connects the ovaries to the angle of the uterus. We also have infundibulopelvic ligament or suspensory ligament of ovary. Infundibulopelvic ligament or suspensory ligament of ovary connects the ovary to the lateral pelvic walls. Ovarian vessels. Suspensory ligament of ovary connects the ovary to the lateral pelvic walls, and this is suspensory ligament or infundibulopelvic ligament of the ovary. These ovarian vessels containing arteries and nerves are present in the suspensory ligament of ovary. In the suspensory ligament of ovary, where ovary is connected to the lateral pelvic wall, here there are ovarian vessels like ovarian artery and nerves are present. Relation
thank you and thank you for watching.